Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Trader Joe's Tuesday. It's Trader Joe's Tuesday. It's a Trader Joe's Tuesday. I'm working on the song. It's not quite ready yet. It was just Thanksgiving. I need to detox. I need something healthy. I need something vegan. I need less dairy. I'm a little congested. We gotta clear this up. I'm gonna make creamy curried butternut squash soup infused with coconut milk. I went to Trader Joe's because I already knew they had this pre-cut butternut squash. Our topping they suggested was some toasted pumpkin seeds or pepitas. I passed this, which I had not seen before. Pumpkin seeds, corn, chickpeas, fava beans, edamame, and dried peas. But I thought this would be like a good texture on top. Some crunchies, 4 grams of fiber, that looks good. I got vegetable broth for the soup. We're going semi-homemade today. I'm not trying to be a hero. I'm trying to make YouTube videos. Don't want to peel garlic. And then I got some shallots for the soup. Another healthy option, I got a good old sweet potato, some cayenne powder on top, and salt and pepper. So like a really spicy roasted sweet potato. I got some lemons, so I can do some hot lemon water. Organic raw honey from Trader Joe's. It had like 8 different honey options and one was $20. What's a $20 honey do for me that this $5.99 one can't? I did get a dessert that is not part of the detox plan. Peppermint pretzel slims. 'Tis the season. These are so good. I've had them already. These are not new this year, but they just come out at the holiday time and so tasty. I need to get my life together and start getting this soup together, so let's go. Big spoon of coconut oil. Oh god, is this a terrible angle for me? Le Creuset, if you want to work together and come up with the perfect line of baby pink cookery, pots, pans, accessories. I'm your girl, let's work together. Putting that out into the universe right now. Actually, one day when I was packing to move, I got bored and was procrastinating and made like an entire Amazon store with just all pink kitchen and home stuff. So if you're interested in that, I can put the link in the description and you can check that out so you can make your home all pink, 50 shades of pink. 1.5 tablespoons. So they have these weird seals on these ones. When you twist it, it's automatically open and then you don't know if you opened it right then or if you opened it previously. A Sharpie and write the date on it. Not cute, but it will be. One of my favorite little decorating hacks is to put lemons in a bowl, not to get all Shannon Bedore on you. I put them in a clear bowl, looks very chic. Here's the snack that I am making. So this is the jalapeno lime almond dip, vegan and gluten-free, and really, really tasty. These are so good. Brussels sprouts chips is like the weirdest concept. Delicious. Great combo. Wow, that was a good reaction for camera. So thank you.
That was a real reaction. I didn't even know you were filming it.
I like the soup. The flavor's good. The pitas might have been better. It was really easy too. Obviously, I'm obsessed with Trader Joe's and I thought it would be fun to do a simple, easy recipe using mostly stuff from Trader Joe's. And if you guys like this, let me know and I can do more. And then the hauls are fun too, where I try the different products. I mean, let's get real. I'm gonna do this whether there's a camera or not. I'm just gonna be doing this for myself in my own time as my own hobby, but I think it's fun to share it and it's always fun to see when people get new things and if they recommend them or not. I found really, really good things through my friends posting them on Instagram and being like, for example, that butternut squash macaroni and cheese from Trader Joe's. Oh my god, absolutely outstanding. It's sold out all the time. They barely ever have it, but if you ever see it, must buy. Butternut squash macaroni and cheese. To die for. I'm drooling right now. Drooling. Thank you.